Hello everyone, I am here with another Scholar Ledger book to share with you. This one is, I took Nick the Booksmith's course, so I will link her course below so you know which one I'm talking about. And yeah, I super love the way these turn out. The spine is blue. I don't have a name for it. I never know what to name my journals, so I just call her the blue one. But anyways, yeah, let's get into it. She has 5 signatures in there. She's kind of a chunky monkey. This one got a little bit chunkier than need be, but the lady who purchased this can take stuff out of it if she wants to, because it's just, a lot of it's just clipped in. Okay, let's go inside. Let's see. In here I just have a little glassine bag with, this little photo came from Nevermore Creations 17 from her pink collection. And this was a coffee dyed tag I had, and it had Christmas writing on the front, so I just covered it up with this and sewed this together. I have paint on my hands. I just got back from my son's house trying to help them paint my granddaughter's bedroom for her. I wasn't much help, but I tried. I just used random paper stacks throughout this one and did some stamping, some old school paper, page from the Ideals magazine, and this is a tag that I made, and I just put this lace tool behind it, a little bit of lace. I will look up and see where I got these. I can't remember where I got this, but I will try to link her shop below. I gotta remember that. Just a bunch of different kinds of paper in here. And an old bingo card that I got from Miss Bonnie a long time ago. I finally thought I better stop hoarding them and start sharing them. Oh my goodness, I just like to hoard things for a while, I guess. And over here is, that is Lindsay's as well. And this is a coffee dyed tag that I had in my stash. That poem on there, and this little tag, this bag I got from Old Design Shop. She sent me this bag. They're so cute. Is that not the cutest? It was a little too wide, so I just cut it and sewed it to the page and added a little trim to it. And these are also Lindsay's, part of Lindsay's kits. I will link her below as well. Lots and lots of writing in these. That's why I like these journals, because you can't really do a whole bunch of decorating unless you put in a lot less paper. Because, yeah, I think I put in too much paper and not enough room for a lot of decoration. Tag. Here is a flip up, flip down, and that just tucks in there, and then there's a little tag behind there. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I have to sit down, sorry. I hope I didn't move that too much. This is just a little piece of ephemera. I think it's Tsunami Rose. I just sewed it to some cardstock. A little ticket right here, and this is from Love Junk Journals, Tracy's shop. My printer, my black was not working, so it kind of came out a different color, but it's super cute, so I still used it. Edith Holden page. And here I just clipped this on, and it is a bunch of these really cool stamps. She can use this for layering or pockets or whatever she wants to use it for, but I have a whole bunch, and so I wanted to start sharing those as well and stop hoarding them all. I have like booklets of them. I got off eBay, like these little booklets. I have a bunch of these booklets. So I'm going to start adding them to my journal so everybody else can have some fun with them. And this, I just clipped this on. And that is from Lindsay's shop as well. This little tag, another one that I made. That is Nick the Booksmith. And this was gifted to me. I forgot all about this one too. I'm like, oh, I remember that game. Chance Monopoly. I wish I would have saved my millions of games that I bought and rebought while I was a kid. That would have been awesome. And this is just clipped on. I flip out, but just a little picture clipped on there. This also has a fabric spine down there. And this is another flip up. And another big old tag that I made. Did some stamping on. This is a little pocket with a very old postcard that I got off eBay. And I'm gonna rip it, floating vintage wallpaper envelope with a postcard inside. Let's scoot that down a little bit. Two tags here. Some little trim. And a little tuck spot with these two. And this is Mrs. Coggs. And another little tag that I sewed some ephemera on. Flips out. This bag is from Denise's shop, and this is from S&M Tiffany Lane. I love these. These are so cool. I think I have one more left. I will link her shop below as well. Some franken paper. And a little ticket. And I think Mrs. Coggs, I believe. A little pocket with this little ticket. Tag, whatever you want to call that. And in here, I just have a whole bunch of little stuff, and here is a plate for the front, and I didn't put it on because I'm going to let whoever buys this decide if they want to put it on the front or not, but I did include it into the package. And then there's a little like tea bag, just a couple other little pieces of ephemera, but if I don't put a nameplate on the front, I'm going to include them in the kit, so whoever buys my journals can decide if they want to put it on the front or not. And over here is another time card or postcard, and this is it's kind of a loose tuck spot, but I did this cute little envelope right here. And there's nothing in it. I embossed it and just did a Mod Podge napkin on. I thought this would be a little tighter, but it's not, so that's why I put this on here. Oops. Like that. And then tucked that in there. I love that. here is another little tag I made with some flowery tulle, and this is from Old Design Shop. I will link hers below as well. And then these two. And back here is another tag that I made. And that is my blue Scholar Ledger hardcover, amazing feeling in your hand book. I super love it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And tomorrow I will be having the winner of my giveaway. I can't think because I'm tired, but yeah, I will be doing that drawing and hopefully uploading that video tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.